I'm so tired today. Why, what's up? My boyfriend was snoring like a jumbo jet again last night. That's a bummer. I know. Actually, if I wasn't so tired it would be quite funny. You wouldn't believe how loud he is. Hey, you should enter that competition that Adkins are running. What competition? They're getting people to upload their funny snoring videos and letting everyone vote on which is the best. You could video your boyfriend and give it a go. The prize is an iPad, which is pretty cool. Wow, that would be great. I'd love an iPad. For once I'll be hoping that he snores tonight. You can enter at www.facebook.com/snoringaid. Let me know when you add your video so I can take a look. I will. Thanks for that.